Hey everyone, in this short video I want to demonstrate how scammers can make even smart people fall for their tricks. And I'm not talking about the emails that say that you won the lottery or that you've inherited some money from a distant relative. No, I'm talking about people saying that they can predict the stock market or the price of Bitcoin or something else like that. I received a couple of those in the last few weeks, and some of them messaged me more than once with a correct prediction. So that made me wonder, how do they do it? Well, actually, it's quite easy. Here's the trick. Imagine you are a scammer and you start out with an email list of 300,000 people, something that scammers can quickly throw together. You then divide your list into 3 groups and you make 3 predictions. You tell the first group that the price of a stock or cryptocurrency will rise. To the second group, you say that the price will drop, and to the last group, you say that the price will remain the same. You send out the 3 emails and you review after 1 week. One of these predictions will have come true. So on week 2, you email everyone that received the correct prediction. So that's 100,000 people. By week 3, you'll have around 33,000 people, and after a month, you'll end up with around 11,000 people. Now those people think that you've correctly predicted the market 4 weeks in a row. So all you have to do now is bring in the profits. You send another email to these people saying that your next piece of advice will cost a few $100s. And because they believe you correctly predicted the market in the previous emails, chances are high they'll pay up. The scammer can also decide to play it safe and run this a few weeks longer. It will decrease the number of people in the mailing list, but his credibility will increase a lot. And so do his chances of making money. Now obviously I didn't make this video for you to start scamming people on the internet. That wouldn't be nice, and it would also be illegal. No, with this video I wanted to make clear that scammers can even make smart people fall for their tricks. People often think that they cannot be fooled because they're smart enough and they'll see through it. But this simple method could be sufficient to deceive them anyway. So next time you receive an email or a message about something that seems too good to be true, it probably is. Thanks for watching. Until next time.